Good morning and welcome to another episode of Gardener Gone Wild. It's been an interesting morning. We've had a visitor up in the trees, which by the time I got my camera, she had disappeared. There was a female quail up in the tree calling away. And then I happened to see the male quail, fly to join her, and then they went over the fence. But it was very, very interesting. It's quite amazing to have all these different birds visiting. We get a lot of blackbirds and of course sparrows. We get silver eyes, and we get lots of fantails, tui, of course lots of blackbirds, and of course our little duckies. What have my naughty babies been up to? Hey? They're really loving being out in the sun after all the horrible weather we've had. Hello, babies. Ah, the little monsters are absolutely insane at times. They love hanging out on my bed and jostling for the best place for sleeping, and then after they've had a bit of a snooze, they just go absolutely insane. Don't you? But yeah, it's a beautiful day. There's no wind, and so I'm just going to let them enjoy themselves while the weather stays this way. Hey puppies! So continue talking about insane birds. Here is Custard. Hey! She's having a bit of alone time, which I don't blame her. The others are a bit of a handful. By others I mean the Evielings. They are absolutely a handful. They're getting so big. Absolutely big, and they keep blocking the front door to the house because they like sleeping on the deck. Oh, a little insane little monsters. Here's another visitor. Going and having a forage around for lots of worms and other yummy things. We've built up the soil so much so it's just full of worms and just tons of insect life. So it attracts a lot of different birds, and of course, ooh, just missed filming it, but a blackbird just flew right past me. We've got lots of bees. What a busy day it is today. And of course we've got our little ones. Oh, someone's got themselves tangled. Better go into a rescue. Well, I just got Minnie all untangled. So she's a lot calmer now. And hello, Miss Evielings. Hey, you're looking after your babies. Good girl. Right, I'm going to go and hang out the washing. I'm being too distracted by all these beautiful creatures. Can't I? Hey, sweethearts. Right, off to it. The whole gang has decided to come down off the deck as well. Good. Ravenous little things. Don't they look hilarious with all their feathers coming through? Hey! And Minnie is so behind of everyone else with her his or her feathers. Off they go. Hello, lucky chickens. No, I'm not feeding you again. Come on, I'm doing the washing. Hey, Licky. Licky, Licky. How are you today? Good girl. Mr. Big Duck and Addie are hanging out underneath the mandarin tree. Hey, it's nice and cool under here, isn't it? Yes, it is. Oh, God. You just love talking to the camera, don't you? Yes, you do. Hey, poor Addie. Addie's doing very well. Still doesn't know quite what to do with herself. To me, she looks sad. But she's got Mr. Big Duck, haven't? Hey, you're the most monstrous duck in the world. Mr. Big Duck. We've got plenty of mandarins on our tree. Which is yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm going to have to pick some today. Hey, Mr. Duck. Mr. Duck is hanging around my legs at the moment. But yum, mandarins. There's plenty to have. And here's another visitor we have in the backyard. Hello! You silly thing. And in here we have a nest. And apparently there was a baby in there the other day, so it should still be there. I don't just have a look and see if I can see anything with the camera. So I'm going to have a look at this before editing. So let's hope that there is something to see. Because it would be a shame, because I saw Mummy in it the other day when I came and checked. So, fingers crossed. Lots of visitors today. Was it getting too hot for you guys? Nay? All under a camellia bush. Good darlings. It's feeding time again. When isn't it feeding time? Gosh, and just look at the size of those babies now. About half the size of Mum. Hey! Evie was trying to have a feed by herself. We tried to sneak it, but no. The Evielings had to hear all about it and come running over. But they are cute. Hey Evie! So that's it for today from Gardener Gone Wild. Hope you have a lovely day like I'm having, and hope you enjoyed meeting some of the visitors to our garden, and of course our usual inhabitants. And it's just so nice to have a nice sunny day with no wind, so everyone can enjoy the garden. So until next time, stay wild about gardening, stay wild about animals and nature and just life in general. So until next time, bye bye, and remember, animals are your friends, not food, so please don't eat them. Bye.